wasn't panting anymore. She was sleeping at night. And I noticed she wanted to start moving, and I'm like, wow. But as the months went by, her leg got better. Her liver disease and liver cancer, she had no symptoms. She lived symptom-free in a year and a half after being diagnosed with liver disease. Even the vets would say, how? And I said, LDN, LDN. When I got on LDN, it lifted everything. I mean, there was no more being disabled from all that pain, no more fibromyalgia pain, zero pain from arthritis. I'm 99.9% less pain medication now. And so everything improved. My life improved. Got on LDN and I lost 17 pounds. Not even just because I was moving again. LDN's giving me the energy to think, to move, and to get back. I would encourage everyone if they want to finally really, really, really know what it's like to get their life back, try LDN and don't give up. Thank you. Thank you.